We are going to construct a 99% confidence interval for the proportion of all commuters in Atlanta who are female. In a sample of 500 commuters, 246 were female. The sampling distribution has a standard error of 0.022. The first method that I'll demonstrate is the normal distribution method. This is where we construct a normal distribution with a mean equal to the observed sample statistic. Here, this will be a sample proportion, and a standard deviation equal to the standard error. The sample proportion we can compute as 246 out of 500, which is 0.49. The standard error we were given of 0.022. I'll take you to StatKey now to show you how to construct this distribution to find the middle 99%, which will be our 99% confidence interval. Here in StatKey, I'm going to construct a normal distribution. The default is the standard normal distribution, or Z distribution, where the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. We need to change this. Our sampling distribution is going to have a mean of 0.49 and a standard deviation of 0.022. Now we can find the middle 99% of this distribution. Select two-tail. The default is to find the middle 95%. We need to change this to 99%. The proportion will be 0.99. And here's our 99% confidence interval. 0.433 to 0.547. The second method that I'll demonstrate is the standard normal distribution method. The standard normal distribution is the Z distribution. We're going to end up with the same answer that we did using the first method, but we'll get there in a different way. This method relies on the general form of a confidence interval. We're working with a proportion here, so the sample statistic will be the sample proportion. And the standard error we were given. We can go back to StatKey to construct a Z distribution to find the Z multiplier for this 99% confidence interval. We can reset our normal distribution. This will take us back to a Z distribution, which has a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1. Now, to find the middle 99%, we select two-tail, and again, change the middle proportion to 0.99. Our Z multiplier is 2.575. We can now plug in these values. 0.49 plus and minus 2.575 times 0.022. Our margin of error is 0.057. And our 99% confidence interval is 0.433 to 0.547. This is the same confidence interval that we found using the normal distribution method. Your results using these two methods should always be the same because they are just linear transformations of one another.